box? We'll do
the games?
We'll do 30.
Morning, everyone. It's yard sale day, Saturday. It's 6:23 in the morning. Is that working? Yeah. And I'm going to pick up Mama Picker because she wants to come again. I've got giant wads of cash, but I'm not going to have it all with me, so don't come mug me because I'm not bringing it all to the sales. All right, guys, we're going to roll up to some yard sales. Bright and early this morning, we have a bunch of yard sales on the docket, so hopefully we have some success. The only problem is it's still dark outside, so it might be hard to see what's going on. All right, so we're at this bright and early yard sale. It's basically still nighttime. We're pretty much the first ones here, though. It's not looking promising. Christmas. These wall sconces. Mom, look at these.
Oh, cute.
That's interesting.
Something my mother would have done.
Did he say anything to you? Purses.
How about those things?
What was that noise? Plano. Empty bag. The Wave Riders, those are cool. The Wave Riders are cool.
Yeah.
That looks big and heavy. Yeah. Ooh, there we go. A whole thing of Nerf guns. Those are interesting darts. Nerf. It's a Nerf for nothing. Those chairs are...
Where the guy went.
I don't know. Maybe he went to get more stuff. He what?
Somebody wanted to go inside, I think.
Someone wanted to go in his... Maybe it was his wife.
I don't know.
Let's see. That's all this stuff.
Hello.
Cloth.
How you doing? Yeah. Do you have any stuff inside?
Everything.
What do you have inside?
A house full.
A house full?
House full.
Can we go in?
Yes,
or
I'll take you guys
okay.
in. 3 floors right there.
Are you moving? Or?
Yes, ma'am, we're moving.
Where are you going?
West Coast.
Okay.
Oh, nice.
Yep. Mama's got a new job. I apologize, my youngest two are still asleep.
Oh, that's fun.
How are you? Good
Morning.
How you doing?
Is there anything in particular?
Are the couches for sale?
Toys, electronics, those are kind of my main
Toys,
things.
perfect. Toys are right here.
Okay.
Electronics.
That's cool.
Okay. I'll let my wife show you.
Yeah, so Crosley is a new brand. That's not an old brand. That's cool. Where?
Right there.
That's a palm tree? Oh.
But it's going to be one that bushes kind of like that one. I
Okay.
like the taller ones.
Yeah.
If you have any questions, let me know.
So you go outside?
Everything must
Let's
go.
ask him.
Oh, sorry, just want to cut these lights off.
What would you want for just a couple toys? Just found a few. I'd get
$2, man.
$2. Okay.
That's because he has an air compressor and he said it's a
Air
weird
compressor.
adapter.
What? How much did you want for this box of Nerf stuff?
The Nerf stuff, buddy, I want $40. That's honestly probably easily $100 worth of Nerf crap in there.
Yeah.
Give me $40, take the whole box. You got bullets, you got goggles in there, probably vests.
Yeah.
If they're not, I can find them for you. They got
I don't
about
want it
5 or
for
6 guns in there.
Fabric. A lot of fabric. Fabrico. Books. What is this? Double page photos. Ancient China. Tapestry. Yeah, that's not great. She didn't even get out. Grandma didn't even get out of that one. Out for that one. She knew. I was supposed to start 30 minutes ago. I mean, no, it's fine. We can kind of look. No point in bothering them if there's nothing we wanted. I said there's no point in bothering them if there's nothing we want to buy.
Yeah.
Yeah, kind of peek.
Yeah.
VHSs, some books.
Did a good job. Boy,
Well, yeah, it was bad rain. Just pillows.
Got wet.
Well, yeah, they might have slept in too.
Out all night.
A treasure memories photo chest. Like there's some, what is this?
Look up in the bin. See if there's anything in there.
Ribbit Fitness. They're empty.
Oh,
Bins are empty. They took it all out.
that's sad.
Oh, because it got all wet.
That's really sad.
Lights. More in garage. We'll come back. There's another one right down the road. We can come back. Wow. Okay. Well, thank you.
You don't like the number, make the account alphabetical.
No, it's alright. I didn't need it that bad. I was just like, I'm just curious. Okay, thank you. What are those? Oh, canvas? It's a giant dog cage.
The other one in there might.
Right, and especially got when they're in a car like that, you don't want to miss it.
If I walk over there with you.
Nice. Let's see what they
Like I
got.
was saying to you,
Sewing machine. A fan.
there's something that I feel you get more for, I will tell you, and I will tell you how to sell it.
Okay, cool. Yeah, because I have a couple things that I just don't have them out here. So,
Yeah,
but I'd
you
like
gotta
to
be
do
careful. A
that.
lot of these guys that are coming around,
I'm not gonna-
they buy from me.
yeah.
I buy, meaning I buy from them. They buy it, then they come to me and sell.
So crazy. This guy's funny. Stuff's everywhere, and I'm like head on a swivel, trying to see everything at once. It's not going well. Gotta just look at specific things. It's not anything I like. Like glass. Articulate. What is this? Funny? Funny or die? Oh, that might be someone's file. Some Nikes. What size are they? They're 1.5. A little small. Morning. Cordless phones. Been there, done that. Purses. Ooh, is this really an Apple Pencil? Doubt it. It's probably just. Oh, it is. That's interesting. What is this gel mix? Do you know how much this is? Oh. Yeah.
Let me ask my mom.
Okay. Okay, thank you. It's a cool little cabinet, honestly. I don't want to carry it though. Wow.
My mom said
Oops.
35. Now
Well, it's damaged
I'm
now.
just kidding.
35, huh?
Yeah, the only thing marked on it is the top with the pen, but everything else is in there. I don't think.
Is there only like one model, or did they do like a couple generations?
I'm
I was gonna try to look.
not sure. Yeah. Here, I'll look too.
This is,
Which one is that?
I don't know. Well, it just says Apple Pencil, so I was seeing if there was like a
Yeah.
Apple.
Yeah, the first generation on Walmart
Pencil.
is still $70 if that is
Okay.
the.
Oh yeah, there's a first and second. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. I don't know which one it is, but I probably
it
would
might
say
be
second. Yeah.
I know it was bought within the last 5 years. That
This is the Kirkland's section of the sale.
Yeah.
Home goods.
Yeah, Home Goods, Kirkland's. Yeah. Was there any chance you'd do 25 on this?
Yep,
Okay.
right now.
Right. Just do it. Yeah.
Just because you dropped it. No,
Yeah, because I dropped it. Yeah.
You can pay over there.
Okay.
Or I can take your keys.
2,
away.
3, 4. Right, I'll get exact. There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Did you like the couch?
I don't know. Tina might want to.
There's, and those
Okay.
blue pieces in there are also for sale underneath the.
I mean, you guys might. You want to go in and
If
look?
you want to walk in, you're more than
Yeah, I'll
welcome
walk in. Let me see what this is first.
to. Okay, so
I want to see what this is.
Dan Garden again.
tell me and I'll tell you.
It's probably worth getting, honestly.
Got 3, 4,
That's a nice copy.
Is one of these? Oh,
You can sell just these pieces,
yeah.
but it's like,
$1. It's $1. Get it. I mean, or do you want me to buy it?
I'll buy it.
I mean, I'll buy it.
50 cents for this Wii game. Globs of Doom.
Hello, yeah.
Let's get a bag.
Everything's too big for you, I think.
SpongeBob. Oh, grab that. Oh, there's a whole box I
I
missed.
know,
Look
I
at
did
this.
too.
Look at
I mean,
this.
it might.
How did I miss this?
Yeah, I missed it too.
It's an Xbox 360.
How much is it?
You could sell that for between $80 and $100 on eBay. Probably 80
Ask for how much.
with the games, honestly. So if it's like 30,
Hang on. The gold base,
30,
How much is it?
30.
they're outside.
I will.
Here, that's open.
I mean, it's really not bad.
That is fine.
Might just buy it.
What?
So,
For 30, I might just get it. It's a good deal. What size is a hard drive? That's the real question. If it's 20 gigabytes, it's not worth 30. The one.
How many is it?
It's
How many hard drives?
it's 120 gigabytes. I'll ask her that. She might do 25. She did 25 on the pencil.
What's that?
She did 25 on the Apple Pencil.
Oh, how much is it?
Would you do 25 in this box too instead of 30?
Victor, 25 instead of 30 on the box with the.
The games?
We'll do 30.
30 firm. Okay.
Includes the console.
Yeah, it's not terrible.
No, it's excellent.
Yeah.
Awesome.
All right, I'll do it.
How much are the bills?
That's a good question. You're gonna ask the boss.
All right. You ready? Let's roll. Okay, everyone, thank you so much for coming with me to those yard sales. At that first one, I just got a couple little toys. I thought, I'll throw them in a whatnot auction or something like that. No big money, but just, Honestly, my mom was telling me when I left that the guy was saying everything was for sale, and he did have a PS4 in his TV stand. I'm really wondering if I had gone and asked him if he would have sold me that. Maybe I was in too much of a rush and I missed out. The second sale, I almost missed this whole box of Xbox games with the console. I think I can sell that for $80 or so plus shipping, and I paid $30 for it. I don't know why. I just have this in me. I have to try to negotiate down, even if it's already a great price. I think I'm some sort of psychopath in that sense. But anyways, I got the Apple Pencil. I paid $25 for that. It only sells for around $50, so not amazing. You know, fees are going to be like $8 on that if I sell it for $50. So maybe I walk away with $42, spending $25. I really like more profit margin just because I have to buy packing and all this other stuff. So I won't make a ton of money on that. Maybe $12, $13 after all said and done. But yeah, a couple early morning sales. I thought they were pretty good. We've got some more footage to edit, but I did want to show you those couple of sales and kind of let you see what I found. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and check out this video next.